Hi, Katie here. Here's a quick video going through creating customized reports on the reports page in Estimate. When you first come into the reports page, you'll be on the default template with all of the items from your estimate shown in the everything else section. You can create a report section by clicking the plus button on the right hand side. If you remove add filters from the filter box, all of your items will be brought into this section. To choose the data shown in your report, you can click the Columns button and choose the columns you would like to show from the menu. Unchecked columns will be removed and any added columns will be shown at the right-hand side of your view. You can change the order of your columns by clicking and dragging the column header. The new position is shown by the white line. By default, this template is grouped by discipline and drawing. Grouping allows you to choose how your items are arranged in your report. If you have no grouping on your template, you'll have a report showing all fields on all lines, like so. And we can click this button to download a copy of that to Excel. If you add grouping by discipline, drawing, zone, and item name, you can create a schedule of rates style report like so. And in Excel, you get the same report view. You can also filter your items to segregate your report further. You can type in the filter box to apply filters. Any items which don't match the filter will drop into the Everything Else section. You can then create additional report sections by clicking the plus button on the right. If you would like your report to show product information rather than item information, you can add the product columns from the Columns button. And switch your view to the expanded product view in the Options page. Once you've created the template for your report, you can save the template by going to Current Template Settings in the Template menu. You can change the name and save as new, or save changes. I hope that was all clear, but if you would like to jump on a call to go through it, just let us know and we can get something arranged. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a great day.